Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the system theme from a dark to a light on your Xbox Series X, and also how to change this outline color. You can see on the top it's like orange or green or red or something like that, but we can go to settings right here, go to general, then go on over to personalization, and then we can go to my color and themes, and the accent color will be on the top. So let's switch this back over to like a red, and then go to OK, and you can see it is now red right here. Actually, I don't like that one. I'm going to go over to this one right here and apply that one. It's a little bit more vibrant. Then we can go to the system theme. We have light or dark, or you can schedule low, however you want. So this is what the light one looks like. So the dark one is default. So if you like this, you want this on your Xbox, go ahead and go to that setting and switch it on over. So I don't know if I necessarily like this one, but you might if you're out and about. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixTech.